Hey everyone, this is Ileana from Cherish Your Memories, and I'm here to show you this new Mermaid junk journal that I just recently made. It has 4 signatures, as you can see here. Here's the cover, the fronts. I added a dangle charm here. Here's some ribbon. It says Mermaid Off Duty. Here's the back. Added some charms here. There's a seashell, a sea turtle, and an octopus here. It closes, but you'll open it up this way, and then this is how it looks opened up. Videotaping today in my kitchen, but this is handmade wrinkled paper and stains. It's blue coloring stains. Here's some of the pages. We'll go through them quickly. And I added a couple tags from a Die Cuts with a View ephemera pages. These are from Natty and Moon's writer collection. I cut those to size. And these are envelopes that I closed up and made into pockets. These are tea-dyed, coffee-dyed, coffee-dyed. Added some simple tags, a couple little pieces of stickers and whatnots. Not too detailed, not too messy with stuff. It's kind of clean. Didn't want to take too much from the pictures of the mermaids and the fishes. And I ink splattered some white acrylic ink. I think it gave it a nice touch. Once again, here's some more journaling. Lots of spots for pictures, lots of spots for journaling, a lot of little tags. Put a lot of different things in here. Tags, loose tags. Altogether, there are 3 sets of silver clasp clips that you can add pictures and ephemera and memorabilia to. I washed up like this. It's really big, it's really fat, it holds a lot of pages and pictures. It was a little time consuming. It's my second junk journal that I've made so far. It's almost at to the end. These little pages are really cute. These are all handmade there. Tea-dyed. Oops, let's go back to that photo there. This one here, where she's human. And the back. Mermaids have the most fun. Once again, this is the front with an actual seashell of a starfish. Show it to you real close. And some metal corners that I added, some layering, and that is the front. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.